Hello guys! Welcome to the very first video of my Python programming playlist. I'm excited to have you here. If you're completely new to coding, or maybe you're just curious about Python, you're in the right place. Don't worry, we're going to keep things simple, fun, and beginner-friendly. By the end of this series, you'll not only understand Python, you'll actually enjoy coding. So, let's get started. Let's talk about Python. Haha, no, not the snake. Python is a popular, beginner-friendly programming language used for everything from web development to data science, and even machine learning. Python is a super popular programming language that's known for being simple to learn and use. It's like the automatic car of programming, very beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for pros. Now, why should you learn Python? Well, first of all, it's everywhere. From companies like Google and Netflix to small startups, Python is used in almost every industry. Python is used for so many things, building websites. It's also great for analyzing data such as sports stats or in business, automating boring tasks like organizing files or sending emails, creating games, and even training AI models. Plus, it's one of the most in-demand skills for jobs right now. So, whether you're looking for a career in tech or just a fun hobby, Python is a great place to start. Alright, so what do you need to follow along? Don't worry, it's simple. There are many free tools like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and many more. You don't even have to install anything complicated because for this series, we're going to use Google Colab. It's a free, cloud-based tool where you can write and run Python code right in your browser. No downloads, no setup, just start coding. We'll start with the basics, things like 1. Variables, 2. If-else conditions, 3. Loops and functions, and many more. Don't worry if these words sound strange right now. I'll break them down step by step. Then, we'll work on fun projects, maybe a simple game or some cool automations. Let's see what more we can cover. This is a no-pressure zone. Coding can seem tricky at first, but trust me, we'll tackle everything together, one step at a time. If you liked the video, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll know exactly when the next video drops.